Information literacy is known as the ability to identify, find, evaluate, and use information effectively. Information literacy is sometimes referred to as digital literacy or media literacy. Because of resources like the internet, finding high-quality information is now harder, not easier. This is because finding the good stuff is not always quick, and the information we do find isn't always accurate. We have to sort through lots of false information and advertisements. By evaluating the quality, credibility, and validity of websites, we can sort through the junk and find truthful information. This is what information literacy is all about, identifying what is real and relevant. And by doing so, we are developing problem-solving and thinking skills. We are evaluating sources and making decisions to become successful learners, effective contributors, confident individuals, and responsible citizens. Information literacy is a crucial skill in the pursuit of knowledge and living a life filled with learning.